Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for an engineering exam. First, thoroughly understand the exam scope, including topics and question types. Next, develop a structured study schedule, dedicating specific time blocks to each subject area. For instance, aim for 2 to 3 hours per topic. Finally, ensure you have all your resources ready, like textbooks, lecture notes, and past assignments before you begin. This foundational planning is crucial for effective preparation. To truly grasp engineering concepts, active learning is key. Don't just read. Actively work through practice problems from your textbook, online resources, and previous exams. Try explaining difficult ideas out loud, as if teaching someone else. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Collaborating in study groups can also be highly beneficial, allowing you to discuss challenging topics and learn from different perspectives. Consistent practice and self-assessment are vital for success. Take timed practice exams under conditions similar to the actual test. This helps manage time and reduces anxiety. After each practice session, meticulously review every incorrect answer to pinpoint your weak areas. Don't just memorize solutions. Strive to understand the fundamental engineering principles behind each problem. This deep understanding will serve you well. On exam day, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before to optimize focus. When the exam begins, take a moment to read all instructions thoroughly before attempting any questions. Manage your time wisely, allocating more minutes to higher point problems. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.